who is God. There is always fun and games, demons, feats and loving names. Krishna, Madhusudana, Kamsa Nisudana, Govinda, Gopala, Yashoda Dalala. Oh, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Did you say you will tell us a story? Yes. Krishna's amazing pastimes are so wonderful. Krishna, he is not an ordinary person. He is the Lord of the universe. When Krishna was a little baby, one very ugly demoness came to Gokul to kill Krishna, my friend Krishna. She wanted to kill Krishna. She was so ugly, but she changed herself to look beautiful. But she was still a demon inside. She entered Gokul disguised as a beautiful gopi. Everybody wondered, who is this gopi? Who is this gopi? But was she a gopi? No! She wanted to kill Krishna by feeding him poisonous milk. But Krishna, what did he do? Find out. It's all here in this purple book called Putana. Then many demons came, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. Many demons came. Trinavarta, the whirlwind demon. Aghasura, the snake demon. Bakasura, the bird demon. Kalia, the snake. And many more. But Krishna was the winner, and Krishna was kind. Lord Krishna knew their mind. He protects us to be fine. A friend he is of mine. In these colorful books, you will find all that there is to know. There's Dhruva, Prahlad, Narsimha and Damodar. Take Ramayana, King Amrish, Lord Jagannath or another. Every 5 books you take, there is a mass free to go. Hari, Hari, Bol! Everybody, Hari, Bol!
Bhakta Vrinda. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasari Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasari Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.